Everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. So today I'm going to make Fansachi Bhaji. So this is the fanas that I've got, and now there is a way to clean and cut the fanas. So we have actually cleaned the fanas from outside. We have taken out the hard part, and now I'm going to put oil in my hands, and we are going to take out this middle portion. Okay, we don't want this middle portion, and we are going to first cut this into cubes, removing this, and then we are going to take a pressure cooker, and we are going to put water, oil, haldi and salt, and we are going to pressure cook it for 2 to 3 vessels. Okay, but before that, now let me just put oil in my hand because it's going to be fanas, it's going to be sticky, it's sticky, so I have to put oil in my hands, and then I'm going to remove this and cut into cubes. So let me just do that. So after I have taken out this middle portion and I have cut this into cubes like this, and now we are going to pressure cook this whole thing by adding little water, oil, salt and turmeric, and then we are going to smash it. I'll be showing you. So this is how we are going to cook our fanas bhaji. Okay, so I've taken my pressure cooker, and now I am adding all the cubes, cut cubes of fanas into this, and now I'm also going to add some water to it. We are going to add water as much as it covers our cut fanas cubes, okay? And along with water, we are also going to add salt, and we are also going to add turmeric and oil. Now you need to understand that this fanas is sticky, and hence we are doing this. So I'm adding salt to it. Now I'm going to mix it a bit, and then now I'm going to add my turmeric powder, around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it again, and now we are going to add our oil. So around 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 to 2. And now mix it. So since the nature of the fanas is sticky, we don't want our vegetable to be sticky, and hence we are doing this. Okay, now we'll cover this with a lid, and we will pressure cook it for 2 to 3 vessels. All right, so let's do it. Okay, so this is how it's looking after it is pressure cooked, 3 vessels. And now I'm going to drain this entire thing. I'm going to throw the water. Okay, we don't want to use the water. And after this, I'm going to smash this whole thing or cut it with a knife. I'm going to cut this now. You can even smash it, but I'm cutting it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so now I've taken my pan and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Let my oil heat up. My oil is hot now, and to this I'm adding hing, asafoetida. Let my hing splutter, and then we'll add rye. Now to this I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of rye. Let my rye splutter. Now my rye is spluttered, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and I'm going to cook this garlic till the raw smell of the garlic goes. Okay, so let's mix it and cook it till the raw smell goes. Now to this I'm going to add my chopped onion, and I'm going to mix it. I've taken around 2 to 3 chopped onions. Now let's cook these onions, mix it well, and cook it till they are translucent and light golden brown. Okay, so let's cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now our onions are cooked light golden brown. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Mix it well. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of dhania powder. Mix it well, and now we are going to cook this mixture further for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. I'm adding the fanas, and now we are going to mix this fanas in this onion mixture, and we are going to further cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Mix well and try this recipe in your home kitchen. This is my mom's recipe. It's very tasty, very yummy. Subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. Let's cook this further for some time, for around 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm going to add salt. You can also add some pinch of garam masala in the end if you want to, and garnish with coconut and coriander leaves. Okay, so now I'm adding salt and I'm going to mix it well. Salt as per taste. My gas is still on slow, mixing it well further still. And now at this point you can add the garam masala. Any garam masala that you have in your home or homemade garam masala will do. I am also adding some garam masala, pinch of garam masala, and mixing it further for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and now I'm going to garnish it with coconut first, and then I'm going to also garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. And our Fansachi Bhaji is all ready to serve. You can serve hot with chapati, paratha, and I'll see you soon again with interesting new recipe. Until next time, it's bye from Deepali. Take care.